We've improved the embed experience for forms, surveys, and quizzes by adding more control over modal sizing and making key builder actions more reliable while a form is loading. Let's check the changes. Let's learn how to manage modal height for embedded forms. Open a form in the builder and click Integrate once the builder finishes loading. Select Embed Code and choose Popup, Polite Slide-In, or Sticky Sidebar. Enter a value in the modal height. Copy and use the embed code. These improvements help you avoid awkward modal sizing across pages and screens by providing added control and keeping older embeds unchanged, while the interface improvements prevent confusion caused by clicking builder actions before the form is ready. The added control makes it easier to create interesting forms that encourage your audience to interact with your business, ensuring your website is a fully charged lead magnet. We hope you enjoy it.